One evening, I was freely scrolling social media in my mobile.
And suddenly my friend Ketana, a photographer, messaged me and challenged me that I had to complete her photography logo within 3 hours. So I accepted the challenge. To know if I had really completed the challenge, watch the full video. Before that, let's make some coffee.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Since I have only 3 hours, I am simply sketching.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline.
Now it's time to vectorize my design.
I know we ain't talked in a minute, but it's time.
I am doing trace over using pen tool.
The thoughts and the visions, but between the lines, yeah. I can't even talk with the visions there in my mind. Got me looking everywhere for you. Count the stars you are my sign. Underneath my skin, feel my bones are creeping in. I don't want this life to end. Underneath my skin, when I look into your eyes, see the miracle of life shining underneath your skin.
I am using paint tool to colorize my design.
Underneath your skin. Wake up in the morning to get a touch from your arm. No regrets, I can't forget the scent you had on. Fingernails, I tell the tears of sex, but you're gone. Now I wonder what's coming next in this song. So show me the way and I'll follow.
So finally, I think you guys and Ketana will like this. And I have completed this challenge in only 3 hours.
Take the leap of faith and I'll dive into my diamonds. I'm finding it still a fine light inside of.
Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon.